So here we are next to a pair of rather lovely swans. And in fact, the first ever photograph of any homosexual animals was of a pair of two male nesting mute swans on a loch in Scotland in 1923. In fact, homosexual swans and queer swans can help us question this very persistent notion in biology that somehow homosexual behaviour is maladaptive, because in actual fact, homosexual pairings of swans are often more successful at raising chicks than their heterosexual counterparts. Both male and female swans have been found to show homosexual behaviour, but for some reason it is quite persistent within male Australian black swans. They've been found to form stable, long-lasting relationships with each other and even perform courtship dances. The gay couple will occasionally mate with a female in order to get some eggs, or they will even chase off a heterosexual pair from their nest and steal everything, including the eggs within it. The gay pair will then incubate the clutch, hatch the eggs, and then raise the chicks. And in fact, homosexual pairs are often far more successful in raising chicks than the heterosexual pairs. The success rate for queer couples are around 80%, whilst for the heterosexual couples it's only around 30%. This is thought to be because the pair of males can defend a much larger territory, typically, than the heterosexual couple, and also because the homosexual pair will share the incubation duties far more evenly than between males and females. This is super interesting because it seems to counter the idea that somehow homosexual relationships are against natural selection, because in actual fact, the homosexual pairs will raise and produce more offspring. And that's it for the birds. If you want to duck out early, then you can click the leave option, or alternatively, you can follow us through to the mammals.